Hi, I just wanted to send you another video on how he can access his work. So he's going to log onto his Chromebook and get onto ClassLink. He knows how to do that because we've done it every day in class. So once he's on ClassLink, he can go to what's called Google Suite. It looks like this. Click it, go to Google Classroom. And once this pulls up, he's going to go and click Homeroom Smith. And he'll see the choice boards for this week. So click the link. And all his assignments will be there for this week. On Monday, he will get to go back to the same folder and he will see the links posted for next week. So that's the same folder he will go to every week to see his assignments. So this is all for this week. So one of the assignments you will see is Odysseyware. So for him to access Odysseyware, he can go back to ClassLink, log in, and then you're going to go to where it says Odysseyware. It looks like this. And then he will log in with his username and password. It's the same username and password for his Chromebook. I'm not going to log in and show you mine just because it'll look totally different. But when he goes in, it'll have assignments for him to complete. There'll be lessons and tests for him to take. And I will take the grade he gets for those tests and put him in the grade book. So hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions.